The Beirut explosion was as devastating as unexpected. It is considered to be the largest non-nuclear explosion to have ever occurred. At 6:07 p.m. on August 4th, 2020, the ammonium nitrate stored in the Beirut port blew up, creating a blast that destroyed entire neighborhoods, including the social hubs that once made Beirut famous for its nightlife and gastronomy. Fast forward to 4 months later. Windows are back in place, the people who lost their homes are moving back in, and life is shyly starting again. Welcome to Beirutfood. Today we are in Mikhael, and it's the neighborhood closest to the explosion. And this is the sound of people reconstructing the whole neighborhood. It's not only the buildings that are being reconstructed, but also small businesses that we're going to be visiting today, and we're going to be shedding light on those businesses, those small restaurants. Today we are with Jad, right here, and with Flo as well. So this street behind me was unrecognizable after the explosion. I was on the ground. And now, yeah, they've done a really good job at reconstructing everything, but there's still a long way to go. There's a lot of businesses here, they all closed down. Most of the business owners actually told us that they were a bit discouraged to start again. They wanted just to stop everything, but then there's a little something that told them, yo, I need to continue, I need to do something. So our first destination for the day is Kaakeh Square, a restaurant that's been heavily affected by the blast. So in Kaakeh Square, as you might have noticed, they make kaakeh. In the whole Middle East, it's one of the favorite breakfast dishes ever. And in different parts of the Middle East, they make it in different ways. But what's really cool about Kaakeh Square is that they make the kaakeh in a square shape. And they use 4 types of flour. So they have rye flour, they have oat flour, they have the classic flour, normal flour, and the whole wheat flour. So here we are today with Jad, who's the owner of Kaakeh Square. By the way, the explosion happened 2 blocks away, and it completely destroyed the whole neighborhood. And look at the place, rebuilt completely from scratch.
This year was really hard on us. Starting with the revolution, it was a major hit where the banks had to close, the dollar prices started to change. After that, we had the March major lockdown, where we had to close our outlets, had a certain hours for delivery only, and it was really challenging. But after that came the major hit, which was the Beirut explosion that happened in the port.
After the economic crisis, the Lebanese revolution, and the COVID lockdown, and the Beirut explosion, he still managed to stay open despite everything and despite his place being completely destroyed, which is really admirable in my opinion.
We had the willingness to come back again, do it all over, and hopefully we'll recover and Beirut will never die.
I'm drinking coffee with cardamom. It's such a unique taste. I've never tried this before.
And it's coffee that's been cooked on sand.
Yeah, it was made on sand.
So now we're going to be tasting the kaakeh. There's 4 different types of kaakeh that we're going to be eating.
And what's amazing is that they cut them into 4 pieces, so when you come with friends, you can just pick and choose and try all the different flavors.
Now this is what a Lebanese breakfast tastes like. That's the Ash'awain kaakeh. Look at this. Woo! It's too hot.
Now we're gonna taste one of the specialties of Kaakeh Square. This is the Knefeh Kezzebeh, which is a mix of cheese with attar, pistachios, and rose petals.
Oh my god. It's amazing. First time I see rose petals on the knefeh. Great innovation. Love it.
Thank you.
We just finished with Kaakeh Square, and now we're going right next door to Pizza by the Slice. So as you can see in Pizza by the Slice, they serve pizzas by the slice. That's how you do a 50-centimeter pizza. It's so satisfying to watch. Look at this. That's a pepperoni pizza. It takes about 7 minutes to complete, from the dough until getting out of the oven completely, which is incredible because when there's a lot of clients, it's just very fast to produce. And here you go. He's making another pizza right now, and it's the mushroom pizza, right? Mushroom? This is a 4-flavor pizza. So you got pepperoni, veggie, feta, and margarita right here. So the neighborhood of Mikhael is very famous for its nightlife. It was, at least before the Beirut explosion. As a tradition, people would go out to drink in bars and stuff like that, even nightclubs, and then they would come to places like Pizza by the Slice to enjoy an incredible dinner. Let's eat the slices. Oh, so he rolls it like a sandwich. That's incredible. It's really interesting. I never saw a person eating pizza like that. I usually do it like this, like normal people. The dough is really good. It's one of my favorite types of dough. I don't like very crusty. Right now we just arrived to Souk El Tayeb. And Souk El Tayeb is basically a weekly market where they bring local products from all over Lebanon and they sell them. But also they have a restaurant called Taouleh.
Taule is mom's kitchen. It's regional, homemade cuisine by cooks from all over Lebanon. We started since 2009.
So every day there's a different chef that comes in and that cooks their own food from their own hometown or from how they do it in their own family.
Hello, I'm Rima from Beirut. Today we are cooking the Beiruti dishes. All the ingredients are so fresh and the buffet is so colorful, and we try to bring the best of each ingredient in this buffet.
That's a buffet of fresh food, all locally grown. And most of the recipes here are from Beirut, actually.
We have a new project too now, which is Matbakh al-Kil, which is a community kitchen that produces free meals for people in need every single day. After the explosion, after the post-explosion, it was like, okay, either we stop, and we'll stop now, but if we go on, we have to go on straight away and very, very fast. So this is why we decided very quickly, and we started crowdfunding like 2 days after the explosion, and we had enough means to come here and to do the reconstruction.
This place didn't even exist 3 months ago. Their Beirut blast was very, very close from here. They completely renovated this old building in less than a month and a half, and it was opened by October 1st, which is insane. And they combined the restaurant Taule with Matbakh al-Kil and the Souk El Tayeb as a whole concept.
There's Souk El Tayeb twice a week, every Saturday morning as usual, and every Tuesday afternoon, and Taule every single day, 7 days a week, starting as of December.
We just arrived at Kruhat, which is one of my favorite places. When I had the small break in school, I would just go to Kruhat and eat their wonderful sandwiches. And also, they have something that's not really common in Lebanon. It's called the pasta cup. You see that? We are staying. This is a sentence that's been commonly used in the neighborhood because they want to show that they're resilient and that despite them losing their houses or businesses, they're ready to continue moving on with life and reconstructing the whole neighborhood. Let's go and taste the pasta cup and the brezaola sandwich, which looks insane. It's been a long time I didn't eat here, but I always remember the crispiness of the bread, the crunchiness. I think the secret of Kruhat is definitely the bread. It's always super fresh. You can just eat it on the go, like that.
It's a super interesting concept to have pasta in a cup, and it's a paper cup.
So our next destination is mac and cheese.
That has been also affected by the bomb in a disastrous way. I have no expectations on what the place is. I never went there, but it looks pretty fine, pretty cool.
We are in mac and cheese right now. 5th destination of the day.
Hey, so if you want to enjoy mac and cheese, you need to come to mac and cheese. Hello.
I got you, boy.
My name is Carlos. We serve Italian pasta and American pasta. And we do everything from fresh ingredients, from scratch, live cooking station, good vibes, and made with love, of course. What happened here was disaster. We all know about it. But we kept the positive way inside of us. And from next day, we start renovating and taking all the mess out from the shop. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna stay strong. Nothing is going to let us down. That's all what I can say.
It is time to taste the mac and cheese. This is so enjoyable. I love the concept. Mac and cheese, amazing experience. Great food. Love the vibes, especially the vibes, because it's not only about the food, it's also about the experience. And Carlos is the legend. Thank you so much. Boom, 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 boom. Yalla, next destination, Frooza Booza.
Hello guys, so we stole the camera and we are right now at Frooza Booza to eat some booza.
Which means?
So, ice cream.
Means he didn't steal the camera. It's just a hoax. Booza is ice cream in Arabic. It means ice cream. What's crazy here is that the whole building, all the apartments got completely destroyed, but the only place that's open right now is Frooza Booza. All the people of this building got relocated completely. They lost their homes, but Frooza Booza is open.
Frooza is a place where you can have your own ice cream. You create it, of course, with our advice, but you make your own ice cream. You choose the ingredients that you want. You want it chocolatey, you want it fruity, you make your ice cream. We have a super light base and it's made live in front of you.
This is our base. It's liquid vanilla ice cream, low in fat, low in sugar. It's homemade and it's 54 calories only.
Frooza is a very unique place. You come for the experience, for the taste, and for the people that are here. We don't have clients. We have brothers, we have friends. They have their pictures here.
Welcome to Frooza, as usual. And now we're gonna see how to make the ice cream roll, which is the specialty right here. let's do this. Mo is gonna teach me how to do the ice cream roll right here. It's really cool. It's minus 40 degrees. It can burn if you put the hands on it. We're not gonna do that. The Nutella ice cream roll. So I'm gonna be spreading some Nutella and move it like that. Then this is the base of the ice cream. And then... It's not a roll, but it's ready to go. So that's how you do the Booza and Frooza, the ice cream roll. This is with fondant. How are you finding it? Is it good?
Feed more.
Feed more. Feed more. It has this weird crunchiness, but at the same time it's very creamy. It's so good. Oh my god. Oh, with the avocado cream they put on it, it's just perfect. What I love about it is that the sugary part of it is honey, not sugar or any artificial sweeteners. This is the taco ice cream with Ferrero, Nutella, and Lotus. Oh my god.
Oh my god, he on X Games.
The texture of this one is insane. Insane.
The problem that we are facing is the same problem for all the Lebanese businesses, but we will keep fighting. We will stay here. We will not close. We will have the shop in Mar Mikhael always open for everyone. We will share happiness, great taste, and most importantly, friendship.
This marks the end of the day in Mar Mikhael. It was a very motivating day because we saw that despite all the destruction, there's some businesses that are still continuing strong. They have amazing food and an amazing spirit, which makes the best out of an experience in a restaurant. So it is our duty as Lebanese citizens, but also as tourists, to go support locals because all the businesses in Mar Mikhael are staying. So let's support them. Let's do this.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Let's go!
And see you for a very next vlog. Peace.
Hi, we just stole the camera again to say go subscribe to Beirutfood and to Expo Rob and support local businesses.
Don't forget, because we Lebanese are staying and we're fighting.
And they're waiting for you.
Yeah, see you!